Ugh, what is that? Is that kind of a bird? Oh dear God. That is a bird, like what the hell? There's two over there. One over there, one over here. What over there? Shoot him away. Ah! I'll probably get a little closer. I'm gonna stand right here. I don't want that motherfucking bird attacking me with his razor claws of a goddamn bird. Yeah, look at that. There's one over there, second over here. I thought it's a third. Like, fuck it. Bullshit. Oh my God. They're around. Let's see if I can get a little closer. I gotta be really careful. I don't want him to stick me and hit me in the face with that rare goddamn beak. What the fuck? Is he an eagle? Oh my God, he's a round cockadoodle eagle. I better back up. I better back up from this boy. That thing is. Oh, holy shit! Oh my fucking God! He just flew away like a little bitch. Damn. Now I can get a little closer to that bird. Because not to get my ass. I better not get my ass hit by that shitty bird. Now it's rolling. It's rolling, boy. The motherfucker's rolling, motherfuckers. Oh my God. That bird. He's so angry. Okay. I gotta get in here closer. Oh God. Dear God. What kind of bird is that? I gotta get in here close. Oh shit! I scared off the one. Damn it! Oh, fuck! Damn it! Ugh! I scared them away. So that's all, you guys. I scared up 2 motherfuckers. Good. So subscribe to my video, and think what you saw about those birds. Thank you, guys.